Hi friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center. My today's talk is Coolsculpting as effective as liposuction? So I hope you know what is Coolsculpting and what is liposuction. First of all, let me tell you the difference, how are the two different. Coolsculpting is a non-surgical technique that is used for inch loss or body contouring. Liposuction is also used for body contouring and inch loss, but it is a surgical technique. In Coolsculpting, what we do, we have got body parts. We suck those body parts in the machine with the probes, and we cool those body parts down to say -8 or -degree for 45 to 50 minutes. In liposuction, we put some fluid in the subcutaneous tissue, which is called tumescent fluid, and then we got suction cannulas. We suck that fat out by the suction cannulas. So this is a surgical technique. Now in liposuction, we are able to remove up to 10% of body weight. That means up to somebody who is about 70 kg, we can remove about 6 to 7 liters of fat and fluid in one sitting. Cryolipolysis, we cannot remove fat, obviously. It is a non-surgical technique. It works by freezing the fat to very low temperature, cooling the fat down, which causes a cell death of the fat, apoptosis of the fat. So 30% fat cells destroy in the area wherever we give the probe. Multiple probes have to be used. If you want good result in cryolipolysis or Coolsculpting, we need about 8 probes for the abdomen, or 12 probes also, depending how big is the abdomen. 8 to 12 probes are needed. Now with Coolsculpting, we have seen inch loss, but the way the Coolsculpting is done, it is, I will say it is effective, but we can improve the results of Coolsculpting. There are few things that we do in the Coolsculpting to improve the results. And what we do with the Coolsculpting is, we always, when we're giving Coolsculpting, first of all, we give -9 degree for about 45 minutes. So if you give adequate time, say about 45 minutes or 50 minutes of -10, then the results are really very good and effective with the Coolsculpting. Second, we always tell the patient to repeat one session of Coolsculpting within about 3 to 4 weeks to improve our results of Coolsculpting. Also, after every Coolsculpting, we do a massage with the warm water, and we give some sessions of ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency. We always combine them with Coolsculpting, and we try to give it to the clients along with the Coolsculpting. When they combine this ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency along with the Coolsculpting, they find the results of Coolsculpting are improving, and the results are better with the Coolsculpting. With the liposuction, on the other hand, liposuction is surgical, so obviously much more fat is removed from liposuction as compared to Coolsculpting. So it is more effective, obviously, I cannot deny the fact. And we are also using laser liposuction, so it causes better shaping of the body parts as compared to the Coolsculpting. That is not there with there. So we are combining laser liposuction. So laser causes the tightening of the skin and better shaping of the skin. And there is much more fat loss in liposuction. So results of liposuction are much more when we compare to the Coolsculpting. But Coolsculpting was only 30%. Now, what are the advantages of the Coolsculpting? The first and most important advantage of Coolsculpting, it is absolutely safe. Except for sometime bruising or blistering, there are no other side effects than Coolsculpting can cause. So safety is the major thing. It's non-surgical, no anesthesia, no medicine, no risk. Compared to that, liposuction is a surgical technique. There is some risk involved. It can have some complications, obviously, because it's a surgery. Infection can happen, injuries can happen, then anesthesia can have its own side effects. We can't deny that, though incidence is not very high, but it can happen definitely. So all those side effects can happen with liposuction. Coolsculpting, those side effects are not there. The safety is the biggest advantage of the Coolsculpting. The second advantage with the Coolsculpting is, sometime in liposuction, because it is very aggressive procedure, you can get irregularities of the fat. In Coolsculpting, these irregularities cannot happen because it is working very softly, very slowly. There is a multiple sessions of Coolsculpting are better, to give you better result. So in liposuction, fat irregularities, skin irregularities are possible. That is not possible with the Coolsculpting. You will have a very symmetrical result, equal result, good result with Coolsculpting. So results are slow, but they are very safe. They are very regular. They are not irregular with Coolsculpting. Another difference with the Coolsculpting and fat grafting is that the liposuction is that because in liposuction we are removing fat aggressively from one part, and if you gain weight, you will gain much more weight in other areas as compared to the areas from where we have removed fat. So it will be disproportional gain of the weight and fat, which may not look cosmetically very good. But in cryolipolysis, this disproportionate gain of weight, fat is not that much present. So there are a few differences in the two that is there. If you want safe procedure, you want to be very safe, and you want moderate results, then cryolipolysis is better. If you want very drastic results and you are very eager and desperate for the results, go for liposuction. That is obviously there and will give you very fast results, very quick results there. So these are differences in the two. Each have its own role, and if you're looking for non-surgical, go for cryo, but combine it with ultrasonic cavitation, radio frequency, and if you're looking for fast result, quick result, go for liposuction, but better use laser liposuction. So with this, I'll end my talk. I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Carewell Medical Center. If you liked my talk, kindly like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'm there.